guys, Davison here, peace and love. Today we're going to talk about money on TikTok, how you make money on TikTok, what the currency is on TikTok, and how much that currency is worth. So I'm your TikTok and Snapchat help girl, so if that content interests you, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave a like, especially if I help you. So for starters, how do you earn money on TikTok? Well, through TikTok, the only way you can earn money right now is that you get tipped during live broadcasts, and you get tipped gifts by your audience. So the gifts you can receive during your live broadcast are the panda, which is worth 5 coins, which is 5 diamonds. More on coins versus diamonds later. The Italian hand, which is 5 coins. The love bang, which is 25 coins. Sun cream, which is 50 coins. Rainbow puke, which is 100 coins. Concert, which is 500 coins. I'm very rich, which is 1,000 coins. And Drama Queen, which is 5,000 coins. And a lot of creators will incentivize people to buy them gifts by saying that if you give me a Drama Queen during my live broadcast, I will duet you so you will show up on my page. I'm actually gonna tip this girl right now. Panda, here you go, girl. Here's a panda, here's an Italian hand, and here's a love bang. Is she gonna say something? Let's see if she says something. Oh.
Davison.
Thank you so much for the love bang, Davison. Here, say it again.
Thank you for the love bang, Davison.
She said my name. I feel famous. Okay, so now this actually lends itself to me explaining the difference between coins versus diamonds. So if you want to buy gifts on TikTok, you have to purchase them in coins. In US dollars, because it's different in different currencies, it's $1 to buy 100 coins. If you want to buy, say, the love bang, which is 25 coins, it deducts 25 coins. However, those coins turn into diamonds on the creator wallet end. What diamonds are is that they are a currency that's worth 50% of the coin value in US dollars. So it takes 200 diamonds to equal 1 US dollar. So if you tip someone the love bang, which is 25 coins, they receive 25 diamonds, which is worth 12.5 cents American. Does that make sense? Another thing that's very important to note is that diamonds are worth US dollars no matter where you live, and they are worth 0.5 cents US each diamond. It took us a long time to try to calculate this because in Canada, it costs $1.39 for 100 coins, and Canadians unfortunately end up losing 2% in the final conversion because we're paid in American, then we exchange it for Canadian, and there's a couple percentage points lost along the way. But we believe that TikTok pays creators in diamonds so that they don't have to manage multiple currencies, given that they pay everyone in US dollars. Now, in terms of when you can withdraw your money on TikTok, you can only withdraw your funds as a creator once you have reached the $100 threshold. And the maximum you can withdraw daily is 1,000 US dollars. So if you're stacking those drama queens, watch out. It also takes TikTok 15 days to process the withdrawal because they have to make sure that the coins weren't bought fraudulently. No fraud on TikTok, okay? Maybe you can make some kind of like fraud ass TikTok that's kind of cringy, but no monetary fraud. Also, how you withdraw your money on TikTok is you have to associate a PayPal account, and a PayPal account must be verified and ideally business if you can get it. And so far, if you're curious, my diamond balance is 90 diamonds. So that means I've earned 40 cents or 45 cents. Can't do math. By the way, and this is a reminder, you can only go live on TikTok once you reach 1,000 fans, and then you can start earning that sweet diamond cashola. Okay guys, so this has been everything about earning money on TikTok. I hope I answered your burning questions about coins versus diamonds. Make sure you tip your favorite creator and make sure you follow your favorite creator, Davison Video, on TikTok. I'm almost at 13,000 fans and 300,000 hearts. So love and luck to you, and best wishes in money making on TikTok.